Hello everyone, Blockchain Engineer here again with a new update that I've done to the code, which will make it much more interesting. Not only more interesting, but also more usable. So what I've done is basically I talked about that it will have a data log, and so all the actions of your bot are going to be logged to a text file. And you can see after a short time period, it's already about 4,000 lines. So it's a good information to have, and it helps you to trace back on your trading. Right now, it's a little bit of a jumbled, but it'll still be good to have those logs if you ever have a question. So something else that I did was create a paper trading or portfolio type functionality. So basically when you run the bot, we're just going to run it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. When you run the bot, it's going to have our same output. So it's going to say hello, and now it's going to load a portfolio that we have. So it says starting portfolio. So in this make believe for right now portfolio, it has 10.265 Bitcoin, 100 Ethereum, 10,021.82 tethers, and 500 Binance coin, as well as the date and time that our last portfolio trade was done. So what the code is going to do is it's going to load from a portfolio text file that has our trades and where we started, and as it grows through using our triangular arbitrage bot, we'll be able to track that. So what it does is it's going to run the functionality that determines the most profitable exchange to trade. So right here it's saying that we're going to trade the BTC to Tether, BNB to BTC, and then BNB to Tether as well. So when we get so for right here, it says no arbitrage possible, so it's not going to pull up our now our most profitable is, as I said before, and our expected profit is 0.143%. So now that we've determined our most profitable market, our bot is going to do some arbitrage botting. And what it's going to do is it's going to run and collect our data. So if there's an arbitrage possibility, it'll tell us that. And then it has a 0.066 potential profit, so a little bit low, and may not even cover the fees, but for right now we're not talking about the fees. So what it's going to do is, since there's an arbitrage possibility, it's going to quote unquote place the orders, and we are going to see how this arbitrage bot will develop profitability. So we're going to start with 10,000 tethers, USDTs. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to buy Ethereum with it, and we can buy 20.27 Ethereum. Then we're going to sell our Ethereum and buy the Binance coin, and we're going to get 621.38 Binance coin. Then we're going to sell our Binance coin for USDT, and our final amount, since we have a profitable arbitrage, our final amount is going to be 10,028 when we started with 10,021. So just by doing this trade, we're going to profit approximately $7, which is where our 0.066 comes from. So we're going to, and this all gets logged within the crypto arbitrage bot data log, and it's just going to keep a running tally of all of our profitable trades. So here we go, a little bit higher of a potential profit, 0.114%, and we're going to start with 10,028, and we're going to end with 10,039. So this just keeps a running pair, and then after it does 5 trades or the time period, then it's going to find the most profitable exchange.